How to change code name in Rainbow Six Mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your code name or your in-game name in Rainbow Six Mobile. So let's get started. First, open up the Rainbow Six Mobile game on your device, and once you're in the lobby screen, go ahead and click on your profile avatar at the top left corner. Now click the pencil button at the top left, right next to your current name, and enter the new name you want to change to. Make sure to add the accepted special characters that has been shown underneath and click on confirm. The first name change will be free after creating a new account on the game. If you try to change your name again, you need to spend 300 coins. So that is how you can change your name or your code name in Rainbow Six Mobile. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.